Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Bhagavad Bhakti Yoga, it is a kind of yoga, or the real yoga. Topmost yoga system is Bhagavad Bhakti, and Bhagavad Bhakti yoga begins Adu Gurvasrayam. First of all, surrender to Guru. Tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. The official initiation has no meaning unless one who has fully surrendered to Guru. There is no question of initiation. Dibbogyan hriday prakashit. Dibbogyan is transcendental knowledge. So to play tricks with Guru, to become diplomat and intriguer, these rascaldom will not help Bhagavad Bhakti. You can get some other things, some material profit, but spiritual life will be spoiled. So this Krishna consciousness movement is for spiritual enlightenment, not for how to get money, how to earn money. This is the Krishna consciousness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches, na dhanang na janang na sundaring kavitang vajagadisha kamaya. Na dhanang. The materialists, what they want? They want money. They want many followers and many subordinates, or nice, beautiful wife. This is materialism. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu refuses. No, I don't want money. This is teaching. Na dhanang, na janang. I don't want to rule over somebody. No. Not na dhanang, na janang, na sundaring kavita. A poetic imagination of nice, beautiful wife. These things I do not want. What is then Bhagavad Bhakti Yoga? Mama janmani janmani shari bhavatat bhakti rahit kirtai. Then Bhagavad Bhakta do not want even liberation. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying janmani janmani, birth after. One who is liberated, he does not take any more birth in this material world. Those who are impersonalists, they merge into the effulgence, bodily rays of Krishna, and those who are devotees, they get permission to enter into Vaikuntha or Goloka Vrindavan. Doesn't make sense. So, if you want prasanna mana, always jubilation, that is spiritual life. Not that always morose, making some plans. That is not spiritual life. You don't find any materialistic person jubilant. He is morose and thinking and smoking cigarette and drinking, making some big plan. That is materialism. And Bhagavad Bhakti Yogata prasanna manaso. And the Bhagavad Gita, Brahma bhuta prasannatma, na sochati na kankati. Prasannatma. This is spiritual life. As soon as you become actually in spiritual life, never mind either you in impersonal philosophy or personal philosophy, both of them are spiritualists, only the difference is the impersonalists think that I am spirit, God is spirit, therefore we want to merge into this. Sajujya Mukti. Krishna gives them Sajujya Mukti, but that is not very safe. Because Anandamaya Abhyasa, Ananda, real Ananda cannot be realized oneself. There must be two. Love does not mean I love myself and meditate upon love. No. There must be there another person lover. Therefore Dvaita Bhava. As soon as we come to the bhakti school, there must be Dvaita Bhava. Two. Krishna and Krishna's devotee. And the exchange of Krishna and Krishna's servant is called bhakti. The dealings, that is called bhakti. Therefore it is said, Bhagavad Bhakti Yogata. Not monism, oneness. There is always the bhakta, devotee is trying to please Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.